Hello, this is iMathit with Samuel Oke. This channel is dedicated to helping young mathematicians reach their full potential as soon as possible. And in this lesson, we will be looking into how to perform addition, subtraction, and multiplication on complex number. So we will see addition, subtraction, and multiplication of complex numbers. So the first problem we have here to experiment here is involves addition, and the second one involves subtraction. So we have 3 minus i2 in bracket and plus 5 plus i5 in bracket, imaginary 5. So let's go on and do that. So in the first bracket we have 3 minus imaginary 2, right? So and plus, let's open the bracket back there with the plus. So we still have what is in the bracket. So we have 5 plus imaginary 5, right? So what we do next is we simply go on and sort it. Put the real part together and so that we can put it together and the imaginary part. So we sort it. And 3 plus 5 is 8. And negative i2 plus i5 is plus i3, imaginary 3, right? So and that's it, as simple as that. So let's do one more just to be sure. Well, in this case it's a subtraction. So we have 2 minus i6, and let's open the brackets back there with the negative. So we have negative 7 and minus times minus is plus, so that's why we have plus i11. So let's go on and sort it. So let's put the real part on, let's rearrange them. So and 2 minus 7 is negative 5, and negative i6 plus i11 is positive i5, and that's it. So remember, complex numbers are usually written in the form a plus ib, right? So and that is the form we are trying to leave our answer. Please, if you get a value from this lesson, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. So let's move on to multiplication of complex number. So we are going to experiment with these two simple ones. So we have 2 plus i7 in the bracket. So and we are multiplying that by 3 plus i12. So we simply go on and apply the distributive law in this case. So 2 times 3 is 6, right? And 2 multiplied by i2 is plus i4. Minus times plus is plus, so we have minus. Minus times plus is minus. So negative i7 multiplied by 3 will give negative i21. Minus times plus is minus. So we have I inside there is I squared. And 7 times 2 is 14, right? Hope you get that. So and at this point, remember the power of I. I'm going to put a link to the lesson on that in the description so that you can go check it out just in case if you need it. So I raised to power 2 equals negative 1, right? You probably remember that. So at this point, let us do that. At the same time, we'll try to sort the expression so that we can easily deal with it. So we have negative there, and I squared is negative 1. In the power, when you check the lesson on the power of I, you're going to say that. I told you I'm going to put that in the description, the link to that. So the negative I squared 14 is what gives us this negative 1 and multiplied by 14. And we put the rest of the imaginary part together, we have negative I17. So this will mean 6 plus 14, right? And minus I17. 6 plus 14 is 20 and minus I17. So and there you have it, and we've expressed the answer in a plus ib form. Okay, now let's see the last one. So here we have 5 minus I in one bracket and 3 minus i3 in the other bracket, and we have to multiply. So we are distributing just like we did in the other one. So I hope you are getting this. So negative I multiplied by 3 gives negative I3. So negative I multiplied by negative I3 gives some positive I squared 3, right? So when we sort this again, let's bring that the one involving I. Okay, so we have 15 minus I18. When we put together the imaginary part at the center there. So and I squared is -1 and multiplied by 3. So we sort that, we have 15 minus 3, right? Because plus times minus is negative, right? And minus I18. So 15 minus 3 is 12 and minus I18. And that's it. So and this is how to perform addition, subtraction, and multiplication on complex number. Please, if you get value from this lesson, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more educational content like this. And thank you so much for stopping by. Well, until next time, keep mathing it and keep winning.